trying. We keep at it. To end poverty, save our planet, and give everyone a shot at a decent life, only to see years of progress.
May God bless you. Let God be working with you. May God provide you one good plenty pastor. God really bless you to me. No fear for the work you work. Let God bless the time. Well, thank you. Yes.
Before you do anything, ask yourself, am I doing this because I want to do it? Or because of my fear of judgment from others if I don't? You were born unique for a reason. You were born to stand out, to be appreciated and loved for who you are. Don't dim your light so you fit into the dull background of other people's lives. Shine bright as you are. Those who really care for you will see that light and shine with you.